Hi kindergarten, it's Miss Willie here to do math facts with you today. Remember, we've been focusing on differences of two, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to go through and identify those before we start our 2-minute timer. We are doing fact homework 129B. So go ahead and get that sheet out, and I'm going to have you put your name up at the top, 129B. So we're going to go through first and we're going to identify the facts that are differences of two. So if they're two apart on the number line, we're going to look at the first one. The first problem is 8 minus 1. Is that a difference of 2? Nope. Let's look at the next one, 3 minus 2. Nope, that's a difference of 1. 9 minus 7, is that a difference of 2? It is. Go ahead and circle it. 5 minus 1. Nope. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is a difference of 1. What about 4 minus 2? That is a difference of 2. 8 minus 7? Nope. 6 minus 0? Nope. 7 minus 5? Yes, that's a difference of 2. 4 minus 3? Nope, that's a difference of 1. 7 minus 6? That's a difference of 1. What about 6 minus 4? That is a difference of 2. 9 minus 8? Nope. 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 is a difference of 2 problem. 10 minus 7? Nope. 8 minus 6? It's a difference of 2. 10 minus 2? Nope. 5 minus 4? That's a difference of 1. 7 minus 2? Nope. 10 minus 8. That's a difference of 2. 2 apart. Circle it. Okay, so go ahead. Make sure your name is at the top. Miss Willie's going to set the timer on her phone. Now remember, when you are done, you are going to make sure you go through and check your answers and you didn't make any simple errors. That's what all good mathematicians do. They double check their work for accuracy. Are you ready? Begin. Halfway there. Ten seconds. Okay, we're going to stop. Boys and girls, go ahead and stop and let's check our answers. Remember, if you didn't get done, it's okay. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do the answers together. So go ahead and get out a crayon. If the answer's correct, you're going to give yourself a dot. If the answer is incorrect, you're going to cross it out and write the correct answer next to it. And if you didn't get one, go ahead and just fill in the answer as we go through it. We're working on our fluency, getting through these quickly. Okay, the first one is 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 2. Oh, that's a difference of 1. 1 away on the number line, the answer is 1. 9 minus 7. We already determined that that was a difference of 2. So we know the answer is, you got it, 2. 5 minus 1. 1 less than 5 is 4. 6 minus 5. That's a difference of 1 problem. Next to each other on the number line, so we know the answer is 1. 4 minus 2, we already determined that that was a difference of 2 problems. The answer is 2. 8 minus 7, oh, next to each other on the number line, difference of 1. 6 minus 0, any number minus 0 is the number itself, right? So the answer is 6. 7 minus 5, difference of 2 problem. Go ahead and fill in the 2. 4 minus 3. They're next to each other on the number line. That's a difference of 1. 7 minus 6. Next to each other on the number line. That's a difference of 1. 6 minus 4. We already said that was a difference of 2. 9 minus 8. Next to each other on the number line. That's a difference of 1 problem. 5 minus 3. It's 2, difference of 2. 10 minus 7, this is a trickier one. You're right, 3. 8 minus 6, we determined that was a difference of 2, good. 10 minus 2 is 8, you're right, you're going to count backwards by 2. 5 minus 4 is a difference of 1 problem. 7 minus 2 is 5. Good job. And the last one, 10 minus 8. We already said it was a difference of 2 problems. The answer is 2. How'd you do, guys? You're doing good? Okay, go ahead and you're going to write your correct number up at the top. Remember, our goal is to do all 20 in 2 minutes. Good job today. Hi, kindergarten, it's Miss Whitley, and I'm here to work with you on a new fact concept. So we're going to be working on subtracting half of a double. And we're going to be having these types of problems on your math worksheet. So I wanted to kind of teach you a little mini lesson first so then you know what we're identifying when we go through our fact sheets, okay? So I have an example on my whiteboard. 2 plus 2 is 4. Is that a double fact we know? Easy peasy, right? We know that 2 plus 2 is 4. But do we know what 4 minus 2 is? I like to think these numbers as working as a team. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. You're right. Those numbers work together as a team. So this problem is called subtracting half a double. So we're going to do a little bit bigger numbers now. So Miss Willie is going to do this problem. And then I'm going to see if you can help me with the answer, okay? So the first problem is 6 plus 6 is 12. Is that a doubles fact we know? Yes. Now remember, the numbers work together as a team. So this is subtracting half of a double. So 12 minus 6 is 6. You're right. So those two numbers are a double. The answer is 12, okay? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Let's do another one. I'm going to do big numbers now. In fact, I'm not even going to fill out the doubles fact. I want to see if you can help me. What is 9 plus 9? 18. You're right. 18. Now, this is going to be subtracting half of the double. So if you have 18 and you take 9 away, what is the answer going to be? You're right, 9. Remember, those numbers work together as a team. So this type of problem is called a subtracting half of a double. Okay, let's try one more. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna try to make it tough. I'm gonna do, I don't know, this might stump you. Boys and girls, what's 10 plus 10? 20, good job. Now, this is tricky. If I have 20 and I take 10 away, subtracting half of the double, what's the answer? You're right, it's 10. You guys are too smart for Miss Willie, okay? So today and the next week or so when we're doing our facts, Miss Willie's gonna have you identify subtracting half the double problems on our worksheets before we start them. Just like we did with our difference of 1, just like we did with our difference of 2. Good job today.
Thanks, Miss Willie, for teaching us subtraction of half a double. We're going to be needing that for one of our questions in number 3. So big shout out. Thank you so much, Miss Willie. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know who this is. It's Miss Pingle, and I'm back. So as always, I want you to write your name with your very best handwriting on the name line on top. I will give you 10 seconds. Ready? Go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Don't forget your perfect handwriting. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. If you didn't finish, that's okay. We can continue, and you may finish afterwards. Number 1, put these number cards in order from least to greatest. Now, I know least means small, and greatest means big. So, because these are all double-digit numbers, I need to look at the groups of 10. The smallest group of 10 that I see is a group of 3. Now, since they are tied, I need to look at the groups of 1. 5 and 1. Oh, 1 is the smallest. So the least number in this group of number cards is 31. So I will write it here and then cross it off so I don't get tricked and write it again. And then I know it's 35 because I'm still on the groups of 10. 35. Cross that off. And now I'm looking for the next number that comes. Let's see. I see a group of 6 groups of 10 and 5 groups of 10. All right, 5 groups of 10 would come next. So the number 57. And the greatest number would be 60. That would have the most. Let's continue. In room 8, 6 children wore sandals and 10 children wore sneakers. Color the graph to show what shoes the children wore. Now again, you are at home with materials. You may color, but I'm going to be a mathematician and find the fastest, smartest strategy to complete my picture graph. I'm going to use numbers. Now in room 8, there were 6 children who wore sandals. Sandals. Make sure you're completing it on the bottom. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6s are a little bit tricky to make on the computer. Thanks for encouraging me to do my best. It makes me happy. And remember, 10 children wore sneakers. Sneakers. Make sure you're looking at the labels of the words as you're making 10 on the picture chart. Now I know that you can make your numbers a little bit better than I can. I am trying to go fast, not too fast that I make mistakes. But I know that you're using pencil, crayon, or marker on paper, so it's a little bit easier for you, so I'm going to try to keep up. Now it's okay if I go too fast or you go too fast. We'll meet up again sometime. Now, how many more children wore sneakers than wore sandals? That means how many extra? Well, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 extra sneakers. So I will write 4 children wore extra sneakers. And then they just want to know if you were paying attention. How many children are in room 8? 10 plus 6. All together, a group of 10 and 6 more. 16! You're right. That might have been easy breezy lemon squeezy for some of you. So we're going to write 16 on the answer line. 16 children. All right, find the answers. This is where my big shout out to Miss Willie comes into place. First of all, I'm going to circle the subtract half a double. That means the starting number and the part that you're subtracting is just half of the double that MJ Pitty taught us. So I'm going to do those first. 18 minus 9. Well, the double 9 plus 9 equals 18. So the part that I'm missing must be 9. 18 minus 9 equals 9. If I subtract down, I'll get it, but I can discount, double check, and add backwards. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So it's almost like I'm trying to find the missing number for my MJ Pitty double wrap equation. 8 minus 4 equals 4, because 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm just trying to do it backwards for my addition. 6 minus 3 equals 3, because 3 plus 3 equals 6. 12 minus 6 equals 6. If you notice, the answer and the part that we're subtracting is the same. So what I mean is the 9 here matches the 9 in the equation. Now don't worry, today was your first day. We'll get better and better the more that we do it. Let's continue on by those difference of 2. 9 minus 7 equals 2, because they are 2 away on the number line. Oh my goodness, Pingle, rookie mistake. I was too focused on the number 2. Ooh, and it's not erasing. There we go. I mean, it's 2 away on the number line, so the answer is 5. And 7 minus 2 are 2 away on the number line, or when we count. So this answer is 2. Find the answers. Minus 10s and plus 10s. That number line will help you. Remember, only the group of 10 changes. The ones stay the same. 42 minus 10. 32. 37 plus 10. The number gets higher. Would be 47. And 25 minus 10 equals 15. Circle all the shapes that are divided into halves, and then color 1/2 of each circled shape. So half means 2 equal parts. Find the shapes that have only 2 equal parts and circle them. This square is divided in half, and this rectangle is divided in half. The other ones are not, so you can cross them out. Don't want to get tricked. And then it says color 1/2 of each circled shape. So if you like, you may use your fine motor skills and do high quality coloring in only one part. Or you can be a mathematician and try to write the fraction 1/2. Or, like I said, you may color it. It's completely up to you. And let's end with addition and subtraction with double-digit money. Ooh. Ah. Here we go. You know what to do. First, we're always going to start with adding the groups of 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then we're going to go over to the dimes, or the groups of 10, and add those. 2 plus 2 is 4. So our answer is 46 cents. I will do one more and then I'll let you complete the other two. Here we go. Again, always start with the groups of 1. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So I put that there. And then go to the groups of 10, or the dimes. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 55 cents. Now you try the next two. I'll give you a few moments and then I'll tell you the answers in just a little bit. Good luck. Remember, start with the groups of pennies and then do the groups of 10. Discount double check, you are subtracting when you're supposed to subtract, and you are adding when you're supposed to add. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Drop. Time to check. 38 minus 30 is 8 cents. 24 plus 44 is 68 cents. Terrific job. Thank you so much for doing your best with me. I'll see you tomorrow for a wonderful Wednesday. Keep up the good work and do something kind for someone.